Hello, I'm Andrew Rogers, and my children, Maya and William, are at Glenaeon. Like many of you, I'm passionate about the environment and believe as a school community we can play a direct role in the transition to a renewable energy system. That's why this year's annual giving appeal, Go Green in 2019, is a project close to my heart. We will reduce our carbon footprint through a range of clean energy initiatives. We will install solar at Middle Cove on the Sylvia Brose Hall and the Design and Technology roof. This system will generate almost as much power as we use on the campus throughout the year. 2 years ago, we installed a similar system at Castle Craig and achieved a comparable result. We will also replace the majority of our halogen and fluorescent light globes with LEDs. These are much more energy efficient, but also last much longer, reducing precious time from our maintenance team to work on other things. To create a more comfortable learning environment for our children, we will fit out the remaining classrooms with air conditioners to enable energy efficient heating and cooling year round. As well as reducing our carbon footprint, we will reduce our energy costs by going green. These substantial savings will be redirected to important educational initiatives. Please join me in supporting this important project. We need to raise $100,000. If every family donates just $285, we will reach our target. All donations are tax deductible, so for many families, $285 is just $150 after tax. Please donate online at the Glenaeon website. Thank you in advance for your generosity and support.